I was wondering if maybe you'd like to go to the beach and maybe get a coffee after or something.
Not too bad. I'll just go a little further. Oh, I'll just keep going. Oh, I might as well just keep going.
Oh, just go to this corner.
Yeah. Didn't even show it. Oh, iron tablets. Hey guys, it's me Ava. Welcome back to another video. Today is so damn exciting. I'm going to my first vegan market and then we might as well go to the beach because it's all the way down in like Mooloolaba area, which is near the beach. So I'm so pumped. Right now I'm just eating some avocado and baked beans. This is gonna just fuel me up for the day. I'm just gonna finish this off and then I'll talk to you guys later. So I have this super cute reusable bag thing, but today I'm gonna use it as my very own beach bag because my mum does have my towels and swimmers in that. Well, I'm wearing my swimmers, but she has my towel. But I'm just gonna pack my own stuff. So I'm gonna pack this wallet. It's super cute. Like, look at the design. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I got this at an op shop. And then I'm gonna pack my favorite book ever. I'm only up to like the, I keep forgetting, 26th page. Well, that took forever. I'm only up to the 26th page, but it is so good already. So I'm gonna read this at the beach. And obviously my phone for, you know, those Instagram stories and all that. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to go. But yeah, I thought I'll just show you guys. And that's it for now. So nice. Thank you.
Sorry about noise.
We just tried really delicious nuts. And brownies and the avocado stuff like this is delicious. This stuff is good. This stuff is good. Cashew original. But this thing behind the camera is amazing. No, this is the best thing ever existed. Just finished ice cream and now I'm so sad because it's over. This was so good. I had Cookie Monster. It was so amazing. Just finished off at the market. We got a few things and I wanted to quickly show you them. First off, we have this original one. The label's a bit destroyed, but this was my favorite because I reckon it would be so good on nacho. Garlic and herb one. Once again, amazing. And then we got some vegan Parmesan cheese and raw, organic and gluten-free and tastes so damn good. Okay, now we're going to the beach and then I'll update you guys then. We're walking down to the beach. Today is just an amazing day. I knew it from the start. When I got up, I knew today is just going to be amazing, and it is. Like, look at this. There is no clouds. Oh, and I just got my goal of 10,000 steps. Look at that. Super happy. And it's not even like, I reckon it's 1 o'clock and I've already gotten my steps. So that's also a plus. Like, today just keeps getting better and better, doesn't it? Hi guys, we're just chilling by the water and it's getting pretty hot, so I think I might have a quick dip. But I was just reading The Fault in Our Stars. It is so good. I only read the start of it, but I'm addicted to it. So I'm just gonna quickly have a swim and then probably have a snack, and then I'll update you guys later. Hey guys, so I just had nachos that was so amazing. I topped it off with the cashew cheese I got today, and so good. I also added avocado, which I don't usually do, but our avocados are just starting to ripen and I'm so excited. Like, now we can just have avocado toast like every day, and super pumped about that. But after this, I'm probably gonna watch some TV and then have some hot chocolate, since I deserve a treat. Today's been such a big day, and you know what? I'm gonna treat myself because I am amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers and I love you guys all. Bye you guys.